Question number 26. In an experiment to produce a stationary sound wave in air, a fine powder is initially evenly distributed along the length of a horizontal glass tube. This experiment is known as Kunz experiment. Okay. If any one of you is interested in doing a personal project, and if you are an IB student, if you are doing something like an IA, internal assessment, or an extended essay, this particular project will be very useful. Okay. So at the open end of a tube, a loudspeaker emits a sound wave of a constant wavelength. A stationary wave is formed and the powder accumulates in regular spikes. Okay. So this is nothing but a closed pipe experiment. So what you do is you blow air through this, you blow a loudspeaker over here, produce sound, and as a result of it, the wave goes over here, gets reflected and comes back. While it comes back, okay, sometimes you might get all the particles accumulated here, sometimes the particles get accumulated over here. Now the question is, why does it get accumulated? Which statement explains the positions of the piles of powder? Why does it get accumulated here? The reason is because when you say they are getting accumulated, that means nobody to disturb them, right? Very simple reason. Okay, when you say there is nobody to disturb them, then what about these regions? They are very much getting disturbed. Now in the stationary wave, which region do you think they are getting very much disturbed? They are getting very much disturbed when you get something like an antinode here. So this is the regions where the particles are constantly vibrating, and this is the region where the particles are stationary there, which you got as a node, right? So you would have got a wave like this over here, right? So this could be the wave. So this could have been the wave, and let me draw it here also. Yeah, so you do not get something here. Why don't you get this one here? The reason is because you observe that the particles cannot stay back over here. Of course, it is shown vertically over here, but actually it should be seen in the horizontal manner, wherein you would have been seen like this over here. It would have been seen like this over here, and these are the positions that has been mentioned over here. Okay. Now coming back to this. Now let us read the options. The piles are where the air molecules vibrate with maximum amplitudes. If they vibrate with maximum amplitude, they will not get accumulated. They have got scattered everywhere. This is incorrect. The piles are where the air molecules vibrate with minimum amplitude. This could be one of the reasons. Let me put it across. Let me read the other options and come back. The piles are where the air molecules vibrate with highest frequency. No. The piles are where the air molecules vibrate vertically. No. So this is the only one. So answer is B over here.